Welcome to my channel. So the question here we have check number if or odd and display on the web page. Let's go and solve. So you on your data, we go to Acode. So it load, then we come here, we click setting preview already in browser. So we are using Chrome. We go back, test run, then we dot press. After minimizing, we click here, we click division here, we choose Acode. It's run again, so we are starting over here. Let's type my name to test run, refresh, then we run again. Now let's go back. Now I guess we are ready to go. Let's try again by deleting all and refresh. Yeah, it is perfect to go now. We check again, refresh. Yeah, now let's start coding, refresh. So we start, refresh, we check again. Now refresh, create a file, start hyphen document type, then add title, number, check number. We create the body, open tag, then the scripts, so let's create an heading, issue, check number, refresh. Now we move on, create a paragraph, p element, give an ID. So we can use is to work on the JavaScript, create a function, check number, then give a parameter number, then the execution. We are using if else statements, so we give number, remainder to equal 0, then executes, return, if s executes, return, odd. So either of these two options, if or odd, will display on the web page. So now we are done with the evacuation here. We call the function here the number. So we create a variable constants, then variable name. We assign assignments, statements, give a data, check number. Number 5, data name. So from here we display on the web page. We use DOM, documents, objects model, documents, does get elements by ID, by ID. So from the ID given here, we use the ID, so notes test context to get the whole context of the file. We assign the variable. We have already stored the data in the variable, so we assign the variable results. So I guess that's all. So when we refresh, we will see. So we refresh. So we have odd because we are checking 5. We check an even number, so this is even number will be 6 divided by 2, and the remainder will be 0. So we have if on the web page where we refresh. So when we use an odd number, which is 9, we refresh again, so we have odd on the web page. So now let's return to our normal file. So return here, so we can view the code. So we can also check from the browser by using console log. So where we undo this, we have odd. So here you click from here. Let's go back and turn it back the setting to preview, since we are using a single file. Back to app, then you come back again, you load it. So you come here to check from the browser odd. So when we go back again, you check the number. When we change the number again to an if number, we have if. We check the browser cursor, we have if. So that's all.